This is the AutoEDU electric steering rig educational trainer. Built from real OEM components, it provides students with hands-on experience of an electric power steering system, exactly as used in modern vehicles. The trainer includes RPM and speed simulation to show how steering characteristics change under different driving conditions. The setup features an electric steering rack, steering column, steering wheel, tie rods, and mounted wheels for full, realistic operation. A clear wiring diagram is included, with the possibility to simulate faults by removing jumpers. There's also an OBD connector, allowing students to connect diagnostic tools and perform real-world testing. Instead of hydraulic fluid, this system uses an electric motor to assist steering. Students can see how the motor works together with electronic control units to deliver precise steering assistance. Clear component layout makes it easy to identify each part, trace wiring, and understand how signals from sensors are processed by the control unit to adjust steering effort. The trainer is ideal for teaching system components, operating principles, and electronic diagnostics. It also supports fault simulation, allowing safe troubleshooting practice without risk to real vehicles. Mounted on a strong frame with lockable wheels, it's built for daily use in classrooms, workshops, and training centers.